guys, welcome back to another video, playing Animal Company this time. It's basically like Lethal Company, but it's in VR. Let's go.
How do you change colour though? I don't want to be brown, I want to be purple. Purple is the worst colour ever.
Do your intro, what you doing?
No, I want to be purple so people know who I am.
Womp womp. You can't change your colour.
Oh, I love how clicky that is. Oh, that's amazing.
I don't think you can change your colour. Just hurry up and do your stuff, intro. Your colour doesn't matter that much. You need to buy a flashlight though over here. And if you have enough for grapple.
Hello. I'm not playing Gorilla Tag today, but I'm playing Animal Company. I've not played this game in my life. I don't want to be brown, I want to be purple.
But you can't, haha, womp womp. Anyways, buy a flashlight.
Oh, why is it so glitchy?
Oh, I got a backpack.
It's so glitchy for me. When I move, everything shakes.
Buy a flashlight.
I know, but everything's shaking.
Buy a flashlight. It's right here, just grab it.
Wow! I'm gonna kill some enemies with this.
Yeah, you will, definitely.
Dude, it isn't turning on, bro. How do I turn this on?
What do you mean? It's not very difficult. It automatically turns on, I think. Or just press every single button known to man. It's either automatic or press every button known to man.
Dude, I want to go in the chamber or whatever this is.
No, we're just gonna go straight in the place. What are you doing?
Oh, I want to get vaporized alive. Or whatever this does. Take my flashlight.
Okay, thanks. Mine now.
Oh, time to get killed.
Is bro dead? Damn. Damn, bro's dead. I think bro's dead. Oh yeah, it's kind of lagging. Do we even want to record, or do we just play for fun?
I think we should.
Which one?
Hello.
To which one? Recording or playing for fun?
I mean, it's lagging a bit.
Come on, where you going? Come on.
Want to be purple at least.
Womp womp, you can't. I'm not complaining just because I can't be black. Oh, come on, I need your flashlight.
Okay, how do I? How do I turn this on? It's not
Press
turning on.
every button.
I am. Oh.
I swear, pass. Just pass.
Take it.
You gotta drop it first.
What button is it? Wait, I think I know what button.
It's
the one button.
Yeah, one button you didn't press, is it?
Yeah, I was pressing A, expecting it to work, because that's how it normally is.
I literally said press every button.
Which way are we going? Dark route or even darker route? Let's go darker route.
This is.
Oh, what is that thing? What is that thing?
What thing?
I saw a thing that was like massive with a bunch of legs. What is it? Oh, what? Whoa! What are you? Excuse me.
Jesus. Oh. Hi.
Go.
Hi.
Oh, I have arachnophobia. I hate this. I absolutely hate this. Go!
Yeah, so let's not go that way then. Let's go that way.
Your booty jiggles.
Let's go this way instead.
Don't tell me there's no spiders, bro.
Oh.
Are you kidding me? What are we supposed to be collecting again?
Just stuff.
Just anything. How about that really weird "oh" we keep saying?
I don't know if we can collect that.
You never know, you have a drill in your hand, so I'll drop
No,
it.
it's not a drill, it's a grappling hook.
It looks like a drill to me.
Can't. Is
Double
that...
check.
Can we go that way? I need your flashlight, kind
Dude,
of.
I'm stuck.
Can we go that way? Yeah, we can. We're not going that way
The
because
thing's still down there.
Yeah, the spider's
Yeah,
down
it's coming towards us. Just go. Just go. It's coming towards
there.
us.
Is it?
Yes. I'm genuinely sweating right now because I hate spiders so much. What was that noise? Excuse me.
Oh. Where
I
are
think
you?
the spider just wants a big hug, you know.
Where are you? Oh yeah, go and hug it then.
No.
Hi.
Uh-oh, I'm stuck. Wait, can I? Oh, no, it doesn't do anything.
Skippity toilet.
Oh, I fell. Get me back up there. I'm not. Roger, roger. We can go this way.
I wish we were playing funny frog game.
We can, but like, not right now, I guess.
Wait.
Is that
Hi. Oh.
No! Ugh. I'm not
you
dead.
You got bounced up.
You know, I think it's coming towards us. I think I might have heard it.
You sure it wasn't? Oh, that's a big fall. Well, you wanna drop your flashlight?
I'm
and
gonna.
test?
Should I test?
Yeah, drop your
Should I
flashlight.
test if there's fall damage?
Drop your flashlight first. Not down
That is
there.
massive. Take it. No, the flashlight. Oh, I got it. It's fine. It's fine.
Wait.
No.
No, it might be safer for me to test. Because if I do,
Yeah.
if I fall and there's no fall damage,
Oh, I
then
almost
I
fell.
can just get back
I
up.
lit-
And you can't get
There you
back up.
go. Oh, my headset battery's low. It was a fall damage.
I don't think so.
Right, come on then.
I didn't fall all the way down though. Come on, jump on
Well, I
this.
mean, do you want to waste time or not?
What do you mean?
I mean, that spider, for all we know, could be chasing on us. Ah, saved myself. What is that? I think. Go! Oh, I'm dead.
Huh? Oh god, what is that?
Duncan, I kind of fell all the way down.
Wait, how are you talking to? How are you talking to us?
Oh, I fell.
There's another spider, I think. I don't know if that's another one or if it's the same one.
Fell.
I wanna die. Yeah, I know you fell.
How to get back up?
I don't know.
Duncan.
Hi.
Well, I'll
How
tell
you
you what,
global
I'll let you back
talking?
up.
How you global talking?
I think I should probably try and use the ropes, if that's all it is. Oh, no.
Oh. That's weirdly easier than I expected. There's a spider. Oh, rope burn. Ew. Yeah, this is spider. I don't know if you can see it. Hi. Yeah. Cheers. Yeah. Well. I kind of died.
Answer. Duncan, are you still alive?
I died. I don't know how to. How do I talk to you?
Let me know if you're still alive, please.
How do I talk to you? I don't know how to talk. I don't know how to talk.
I want a hug.
I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to talk.
I don't want to.
Oh, actually. How are you global talking? How are you global talking? Oh, okay. Yeah, I died. Grappled into a place with a big scary monster.
You grappled on the spider,
No, just
what
a
should I
big
do?
scary monster. Go up the rope.
It's gonna wait for me though.
The spider near the entrance. Isn't near the entrance.
Frost.
Did you say Frost? Did you say Frost?
Do you want to play Frost?
Sure.
Hello?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Play Frost, come on.
M6. Oh wait. M6 then.
Oh, dude,
Oh.
dude, where are you?
I don't know where you are. I'm near the bottom.
I thought you were dead. I thought
Yeah,
you
I
said you
did
were
die.
dead.
We can go
Oh.
back up. What?
Please let go. Wait, I still dead then. How long is that now? Duncan, I'm just gonna play.
You're just gonna what?
M6.
You what? You what? You what?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna play Frost.
Just go on
I'm gonna play
M6,
Frost. Right. I'm sure.